Can we add another account to Discord Mobile? Hi everyone, this is Kid here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can or if we can add another account to Discord Mobile or not. So without further delay, let's get started with this video to find it out. So first of all, open up Discord in your device. Now if you're already signed in with your account, tap on your profile icon that says use at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Under setting, if you scroll down, and if you see an option to switch your account, unfortunately, Discord does not have that feature yet. There's an option to log out, but there is no option to add another account. So that means you cannot add another account to Discord Mobile. But what you can do is you can simply log out of this current account, tap on log out, and once you log out of your current account, now you could again sign in with your another account that you want to add. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.